Now let's go for irrational numbers. Properties of irrational numbers. If a comma b are irrational numbers, a plus b need not be an irrational. A into b need not be an irrational. Example, if a is equal to 3 decimal b is equal to minus 1.57 5777 etc. These two irrational numbers, they have the same decimal. When you do subtraction, a minus b, this is 3.1 0, this is 2. 2 is rational. Similarly, another example. We will go for another example. If a is equal to 2 plus root 3 and b is equal to 2 minus root 3, on adding a plus b is equal to 2 plus 2 4 plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel, is rational. These two are irrationals. The sum of two irrational numbers is irrational. Means when we add two irrational, sometimes it may be the sum irrational, sometimes the sum is rational, depends upon the numbers we have selected. Similarly, the product of two numbers also, the product of two irrational numbers, sometimes irrational, sometimes rational. An example we will take. If a is equal to 2 root 2, b is equal to 5 root 3, a into b is equal to 5 root 2, 2 root 2 into 5 root 3, this is 2 into 5 into root 2 into root 3, this is 10 into root 2 into 3, this is 10 root 6. The product of two irrationals is an irrational. Let us take another example where the product of two irrationals is a rational. If a is equal to root 8 and b is equal to root 2, a into b is equal to root 8 into root 2, this is root 8 into 2, this is root 16 is equal to 4. These two are irrationals, but this is rational. The product of two irrationals is irrational. An example, the product of two irrationals is rational. Another example means the product of two irrationals need not be an irrational. When the sum of two rationals is not rationals, the difference is also the same, because subtraction is the part of addition. Subtraction cannot be considered as a separate one from the addition. Similarly, division also can be considered as the part of multiplication. Similarly, the product of two irrationals is irrational or rational. When we divide irrational by another irrational, again the product may be, the quotient may be sometimes rational, sometimes irrational. So here you can say A and B are any two irrationals. The difference is also need not be an irrational. The quotient is also need not be an irrational. These two are also automatically correct. Let's represent a decimal number on the number line by using the method of successive magnification. Examination point of view, the questions what I have explained are very, very important. Represent decimal number on the number line by successive magnification method. 3.168 on the number line. Let's draw the number line. In 3 steps we will do the representation. Whenever we say line, whether it is line or number line, line is having indefinite length. It is extended to infinity in both the directions. Therefore, whenever we use the word or whenever we draw the line, it is compulsory put the arrow marks. Number line, let's represent integers. We can say this either number line or integer line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This decimal is in between the two integers. What are the two integers in between the decimal comes? It's 3.168 means definitely more than 3. And since the whole number part is a 3 plus something decimal, it's less than 4. Since this lies between 3 and 4, we have to take the part of the number line between 3 and 4, encircle, and this encircle is magnified. By using magnifying glass, the symbol of magnifying glass, this part of the number line is magnified and seen in the second number line like this. this is say 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 4.0. Three or 3.0, one and the same. Let's join this 3 and 3.0. Join 4 and 4.0. This part of the number line is magnified and 1 unit is seen in the magnifying part, like this it comes. Next 3.168. This 3.168 is more than 3.1 and less than 3.2. Therefore, this part of the number line is to be magnified. Let's produce. Three point 3.10 or 3.1 or one and the same. This is 3.11, 3.12, 3.13, 3.14, 3.15, 3.16, 3.17, 3.18, 3.19, 3.20. 3.2 or 3.20 or one and the same. 3.1 or 3.10 or one and the same. So here 3.1 and 3.10 of this next line, when I join, we get like this. 3.2 and 3.20. Now, this 3.168 is in between 3.16 and 3.17. 3.16 is definitely smaller. 3.17 is definitely bigger than this number. Since this lies between 3.16 and 3.17, this part of the number line is to be again magnified. For that, last and final number line, Three point 3.16 or 3.160, 3.160, 3.161, 3.162, 3.163, 3.164, 3.165, 3.166, 3.167, 3.168, 3.169, 3.170, 3.170, this 3.17 is to be joined with 3.17. 3.16 is to be joined with 3.160. Now 3.168 is appearing here. Let us say this is point P on the number line represents 3.168 answer. First number line is with integers, second number line is decimal numbers with first place, third number line is decimal numbers with 2 places of decimal, last and fourth number line is decimal numbers with 3 places of decimal. Then we have got the place of 3.168 on the number line. Almost in every exam this question is asked. A very important. Hope you will practice and learn perfectly. Let's go for another number. Come on, please write. Now for you to do a few questions. Do the questions and write the answers on the notebook and say the answers or show me the photocopy in WhatsApp. After the class is over, we will have for some time WhatsApp chatting. A few questions for you to answer. I am erasing. Represent root 5 on the number line 1. Represent root 3.6 on the number line. These two are constructions, and third one is give 2 examples for each. One, sum of 2 irrationals is irrational. See, this is A, this is B. Sum of 2 irrationals is a rational. 2 examples for A, 2 examples for B. Next, C. Product of two irrationals is rational. D. Product of irrationals is an irrational. One more E. Or let's consider find A comma B or irrationals such that A divided by B is also an irrational. Find A comma B or irrationals such that A divided by B is a rational. A small assignment, we will do this, all these questions one by one, do and show me in WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.